What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. We're going to go over Litecoin, guys. We've broken out of a large bullish pattern, so I wanted to go over that with you guys. Currently, we're sitting at 217. We're down almost 2% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 14.49 billion. 24-hour volume is 3.7 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure you sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the daily time frame. So we've seen large bullish reversal patterns across the board for crypto. And for Litecoin here, we have an inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, guys. Here's your head. Here's your right shoulders. And we absolutely smashed through the neckline and we're back above the 0.5. So your breakout target for this inverse head and shoulders here would bring Litecoin all the way up to about 281. Now, the fact that a lot of the altcoins have broken out of bullish reversal patterns is a really good sign in the market for continuation, in my opinion. Even if we go through a correction where we come back and we backtest the neckline, we're looking for continuation. The charts are screaming continuation and screaming new all-time highs, in my opinion. All right, guys, so we'll jump into the 4-hour time frame. You can see you've had the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 as well as over the 200. So let's pop into the 4-hour time frame. All right, guys, so we're here on the 4-hour, and you can see here we had a double bottom, which we broke out of. We've had some really juicy volume here for Litecoin, and currently that price target brought us right up to about 196. So that was a nice little trade here. If you've been trading Litecoin of 8%, and it could be much, much more if you're trading with leverage, sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses. Please be careful when trading with leverage. Please have some experience with trading. Please use stop losses. Make sure to sign up through my referral. All right, guys, so we're back above the 0.5 and we're consolidating, allowing the EMAs to catch back up to the candles. Going to pop over to the 1-hour time frame. All right, so we're here on the 1 hour. Now we do have a bearish divergence, guys. You can see here we created a high, we created a higher high, we created a lower high, and it has started to play out, but we're not really seeing significant sell-off here. We're just seeing some consolidation, and Litecoin is looking really, really strong. So to give some short-term targets, we do have 245, which is a golden ratio, but we can give some short-term targets from the previous swing high down to the swing low. So you can see here we're finding a bit of resistance on the golden ratio, which is at about, let's drop it in. It's at about 218. If we get back above that, we back test it as support. That's when we can head up to these price targets here of 225. You have the 1.272 at 230, and you have the 1.618 at 236. And that's an absolutely scrumptious gain from the current price of about 8%. Now, of course, Bitcoin needs to break its high. That's what we're all waiting for here. If we do go through a bit of a larger correction, you have this major level of support here for Litecoin at 207. And if we were to break that level of support, let's quickly put it back on the 4-hour and see here where we may find support. 207, previous swing high. So basically our neckline would be our next level of support. If we were to come down and break 207 and go through a much larger correction here, a back test of the neckline at $1.89. But as of right now, we're looking healthy for continuation. We're consolidating, allowing the 4-hour EMAs to catch back up to the candles. So keep an eye on these future price targets: 218, 225, 230, 236, and 245. Of course, all eyes on Bitcoin. We need to break our high first before we see these price targets. But as of right now, Litecoin is looking healthy for continuation. I've been making some juicy gains over on Bybit trading Litecoin. Quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. We have rooms for all our popular coins: ADA, we have Dent, we have Hot, Polygon, One, VET, VRA, XRP. Price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon link. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button, follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.